Hello everyone. Today we will study about clinical repertory by Oscar E. Borick. So it is also known as Pocket Manual of Homeopathic Mathematica with Repertory. It is the most widely used bedside clinical repertory that has been attached to Homeopathic Mathematica by William Borick. So this repertory is written by Oscar E. Borick and the Mathematica was written by William Borick, and these two were combined in the year 1906. First edition of this repertory came in the year 1901 and ninth edition came in the year 1926. Plan and construction. It follows the Hahnemannian schema. It has 25 chapters. First chapter is mind. 25th chapter is modalities. Parts of book. Its first part is Mathematica part and the second is Repertory part. Repertory part consists of three other parts. First is index to repertory. Second is therapeutic index. And third is list of remedies. Rubrics are arranged alphabetically in this book. Order, for example, headache, under headache, cause, type, location, character of pain, concomitants, and modalities are given. So the rubrics are arranged in this heading. Now important features of this repertory. Total number of medicines 1409 as per index there are 1414 medicines, out of which 5 are reappeared twice due to dual names. That's why it is 1414. Gradations. It has two type of gradation. First is italic, second is Roman. Italics indicate verified clinical remedies. Index to repertory facilitates the search of needed rubric to a great extent. So these were the important points of clinical repertory. University exams also question is asked, that is write about your favorite repertory. So you can write about this repertory because this clinical repertory is widely bedside used repertory nowadays. Now we will revise the important points. It first appeared in part of Mathematica in the year 1906. Its ninth edition came in the year 1926 and first edition 1901. Plan construction follows Hahnemannian schema. 25 chapters. First is mind, 25th is modalities. Parts of book. First is Mathematica, second is repertory. Rubrics are arranged alphabetically. Total number of medicines in this repertory is 1409, but as per index it is 1414. Two type of gradation given, italics and Roman. Index to repertory facilitates the search for needed rubric to great extent. Means at the back of the book the index is given in which you can easily go through the rubrics. It is given in alphabet order. Thank you.